Yeah, we on the inside of a train now. Look,
Jimmy,
it's got a bed.
that black cord's not yours, is it? It is? Okay.
Look, furnace. The stove. I ain't never seen a train like this. Look, you got the thing to wash your hands. The sink over here. Water spout. Got the drawers underneath. Got the skillets. Clamps. Oh, yeah, look. Good size too. Look, you got your door in here. I thought that was somebody, y'all. He like got took out. Look, though, tell me what you think about this. Look, you got your seat up here. You got your window views. This is awesome. I could ride like this. And then you got one up here. So you got the one up here. Little spaces down here. More cabinet space. More room down there. Ain't that crazy? And you got another cabinet here. Oh, my cabinet. But closet. You got another one there. Same thing over here. More space room. Look. And you got some down there. Right there, too. And a little shelf. That's cool. You know, look. Got your little place to sit on both sides. Got your lantern up there. And then you got your spot here. Sit. And your spot there. You got your little table. And it's cool. Let's see. And there's your bathroom. Ooh. Well, you got your train station. Right there, somewhere around here. You got your urinal over here. We're not gonna stay in that part too long. That's cool. You come right here on the end. Here are the tracks. Look. Go all the way down there. Ooh, look, all the way down there, it just keeps going. Okay. Alright, there you got your wheel here. Look.